CLAAS that we highly recommend to increase your uptime during season is during the downtime, go ahead and make sure you take care of the maintenance of the machine. Give it everything a once over and take advantage of your local dealer and take it to them and have them go through the machine as well. That way you guarantee as much uptime during the harvest season as possible.
Hey everyone, Bo Woodbury, Product Manager for Kubota's Compact Tractor line. Key tip from Kubota is always check your fluids, right? So right here is the new LO2. And for the LO2, we're going to have color-coded oil and fluid fill locations throughout. So right here in front, you're going to see the oil location, fill cap, color-coded for your ease of convenience. Remember to always check your fluids.
My name is Jonathan Hofstetter. I am a field sales rep for New Holland Agriculture, covering the Northeast region of the United States. And today we're going to be showcasing the PLM Connect portal that we're working with farmers. Quickly looking at it, as you can see, each tractor or each vehicle shows up for the customer, and they are able to check the current status of the tractor as they're going through the field. This can also be shared with multiple users on the farm, as well as the dealership, to notify the dealership if a service need is needed, or if an alert comes through where the dealership may need to step in and do a repair of some type for the customer. So this technology has the ability to greatly speed up the process of troubleshooting for the customer. The dealer gets notified and they can have specific parts located in the service truck before they even drive out to the farm, speeding up repair time as well.
A couple of features that we like to tout about a little bit for the self-doers, the guys that like to do their own maintenance. Down the right hand side of the unit is set up for self-maintenance. So you have your oil filter, your fuel filter. Once the hood is raised, you have access to your air filter. All the quick checks, oil fluid, engine oil, and then as well as you go down the right hand side of the machine, your hydraulic filters, and then on the back side of the machine checking your hydraulic fluid. So it's really set up, quick walk around in the morning, you go to the right hand side, check your engine oil, check everything down the right hand side for maintenance, real quick and easy to maintain.